If you want to set any image as your computer background, then follow these steps. Step 1. Select the image you want to set as background. Here I would like to select this image. Right click and click on set as desktop background. Here you can see the image has not filled completely. To fix this, step 2. Press Windows key on your computer and then click on settings and then click on personalization and choose a fit. Here click on fill. If you minimize this, you can see your image has been filled completely as the desktop background. If you find this information useful, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.